The March 2020 SmartSimple upgrade contains several exciting enhancements. As a result, we have made platform changes to improve the user experience of your system. Let's walk through what you can expect from this upgrade. User experience enhancements. These changes affect all users. Number formatting. After the upgrade, numbers will now be formatted based on the user's locale, such as the regional language. For example, numbers will display as follows. Fields that have been configured with a specific currency format will continue to be displayed in its native format, regardless of a user's language selection. Notable exceptions are the euro and the Canadian dollar. The personal setting formerly found under the user menu for the numerical formatting has been deprecated. Passwords. We have restricted the Set Password button to only be visible to administrators. The previous role permission that controlled this has been updated from Set to Send Password functionality. This was done for added security. Global settings. For our administrators, we have added some new pages, as well as renaming and moving settings to make them easier to find. For example, you can now see all configured portals in one location, and you can search across all portals for a specific menu or selection, making it easier to find and edit your portals. We have also added a central location to view and edit the template of system-generated emails. Under Global Settings, on the new Communications tab within Email Templates, you can now find and update your workflow and other email templates. Contact assignment. The new association view for contact and organization assignment has been updated. This change will not impact you unless you have enabled this feature. This optional interface makes it much easier to search for and assign multiple people or organizations. We have made some improvements to the behavior for usability. Optional features and enhancements. The following features are optional and must be enabled. Portals. In an effort to make portal building and modification easier, we have introduced pre-built portal templates. These new templates can be found under menu items set to the website theme. With the click of a button, you can deploy a full layout complete with images. You can now also modify the content on the fly in preview mode. We have also introduced additional styling options for your portal shortcuts. With the portal menu set to website theme, you will see these new display options for images and icon shortcuts. We have extended the ability to add custom search filters for charts. For example, you can allow users to enter search criteria, such as a date range, to adjust charts on the fly. Productivity. While using the tab bar feature, you can now open modal windows in a new tab if you want to work with the content in full screen. You can now specify different open behaviors for list view records. For example, you can have the record always open in the main window or modal window, or let the user choose. If you let the user choose, they can open the record in the main window, a new tab, or in a modal window. Also for list views, we have added the ability to hide columns you don't want to display, but still want to be searchable and sortable. For example, on a list view of volunteers, I can search for volunteers with specific skills without listing the skills in the list view. Auditability. We added a system feature summary to highlight the features we encourage you to use. This makes it easier to review available features and how they might help you. We also made it easier to review system usage. This new system usage chart shows you concurrent user logins over time. Invitations. We have made several enhancements to the invitations feature that is used to invite people to collaborate on applications. First, we added the ability to easily resend invitation emails. This will resend invites to users with pending invites. We also added the ability to bulk import invitations via file upload. This will only import new invitations. There is a new setting to alert users when invitations are declined, so you can take action as needed. Charts. We added a new custom field to render charts, display information from the record itself or related records. For example, display the amount requested for a grant versus the average across other grants. You could also display activity details like reviews, rankings, or even the schedule of activities related to the application. Notifications. Administrators can now choose to display notification broadcasts in a larger, more visible format, reports. For our administrators, we made a number of enhancements to reports. First, we updated the configuration screens with left navigation. Secondly, we made several enhancements to the export functionality. You can now export to both a Smart folder and SFTP site at the same time. You can have an email sent upon completion or failure of a scheduled export. We also added more robust logging of export history. Lastly, we added the ability to permission who can edit reports, so it's easier to limit which roles can edit specific reports. If you have questions, contact us at support@smartsimple.com or call us at 1-866-239-0991. More information about this upgrade can also be found on our wiki. Visit wiki.smartsimple.com.